Alright, hello people, welcome to another Animal Jam video. And you can still see here, I still look like Snowy Claw. Shut you up. And yes, apparently I love it. So do not want to put anything in here ever again. Why is this den so tiny? I hate mushroom den. This is so tiny. I hate tiny dens. Because you know, tiny dens are tiny dens and nobody likes to put their stuff in tiny dens. I don't know how I just said that. That was freaky. Oh goodness. La 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 la. Can't put anything in here. No, really, I can't. Ah, right here. La 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 la. I need another Myra emblem. Sugar glider? Oh yeah, they changed the music tomorrow out there. Listen. Stupid, isn't it? Let's send a Jamagram to Raging Fire. Wait, no, future fire. Future. Darn it. Careful. Okay. Hey, what you doing? You do know I don't like you, right? Let's see how much this is worth. No, it's not worth it. Guys, if you think I'm a guy, well, a guy, you can tell I'm a girl. Just saying. And yes, my brother plays. Stud car. Where's that spike? Oh yay. I thought I lost it. That is hilarious. That's not necessarily the color of it though. Not it. No. I think that's it, maybe. Just maybe. So I'm gonna keep that way. Wait, I need silver in here. Wait, silver eyes will do. Oh, that looks awesome! I'll keep it that way. No! That won't go. Put something different on my legs. Yeah, that looks cool.
Hey, Mom, you want some stuff?
Better.
Some things.
I'm hungry too! I'm really hungry. I'm gonna drive the golden spike. When will I do a meal time? I love my microphone. Now I won't get suspended anymore. Oh, come here. I felt you before, but I want to feel you again. And then you'll burst into gems. Yay! As you can see, I have all these presents. Yes, I have earned 17 gems. Oh, my friend brought me that today! Oh, good. No! Okay. I thought it was a different tab. Can you mute the TV or something? Trying to record. Haha. How did she get all this when she's a new jammer? Oh my gosh, she got a rare fox ad? Must have costed like $2 million. Or something. Oh, choose a white reflex set for a white reflex. Rare for rare, dude. Oh, come on. It's not doing it. Trade sign. Come on. This won't work. You know, let's refresh my page. Well, I'm gonna go now, because there's really nothing to do. Because on Amazon, because, you know. I don't care if you're on fire, Katie. Come on. Thank you.
Yeah?
Mom?
Where's the person?
Mom? Can you let me know when Haley texts?
Where is
What?
She said yes.
Okay, thank you.
Where's your person? I don't know what that is.
What for that glove?
Hey. GG.
Yo. I wasn't the last to touch it.
Welcome.
Look under the sofa. I found your other yellow shoe under there.
Where'd you put it? You don't know? Really? Tell me where you put it.
I don't know.
I need that shoe.
Really, I don't know.
You're gonna think and tell me where it's at.
Leave me alone.
You know where you put it. Now
No,
tell me.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
Do I really have to go through this? Sorry about that.
Where you put it?
How should I know?
You touched it.
I found it under the sofa.
Where did you put it? You found it.
Again, I'll say, how should I know?
Because you're the one who touched it.
Because you're the one who thinks I'm always irresponsible.
What? You don't have a point.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You always call me irresponsible. Okay.